Hello everyone, this is Vikrant Utekar from Team AMP, and today I'm here to talk to you about our inaugural writing contest for our magazine. Uh, as you may have seen on our YouTube channel, a couple of days ago we conducted an interview with best-selling author Neil De Silva. Now, Neil De Silva has agreed to be the author of the month for the month of May, which is this month. And as his roles as author of the month, he has agreed to be one of the judges for this contest. The other judges being myself and Sushita Soe, who along with me is the co-founder of the AMP. Now, the Art and Mind Project, or as the AMP as we like to call it, is our attempt to marry the creative arts with mental health. So with this in mind, we thought the best way to kickstart this would be by using the art of creative writing. And this is why we have come up with this idea of a monthly magazine. So over the months, we are going to conduct similar writing contests. This being the first. So before we do anything else, let's get down to the nitty-gritty and let's discuss the rules of this contest. Rule number one: there is a theme to this to the magazine, the monthly theme. So the theme of this month is Tales from Mumbai. So whatever articles that you have to write about have to revolve around the city of Mumbai. Rule number two: there is a word limit to this contest, which is 500 words or less. So if your article exceeds 500 words, you will be disqualified. Rule number three: there is a time limit to this contest, which is on the 20th of May 2020. So if you send your article post the 20th of May, let's say on the 21st, you will be disqualified. Now all articles and submissions have to be sent to our email account, the link to which is given below in the description. I hope that you avail of this opportunity, because the winners, the 10 featured writers that will be selected by the panel, that is me, Neil and Sushrita, will get an opportunity to not just be featured in our magazine, but also to attend a workshop conducted by Neil, where you will get a chance to interact with Neil himself. So this is a golden opportunity for you to learn from the best. So with that in mind, I wish you all the best. I do hope that you make this opportunity your own, and I wish you nothing but success and peace of mind. With that, signing off, we are Team AMP.